Oh God save me, my HP Smart app is not activate and my work is not done yet. Let me check on my search engine. Yes, I found the expert technician's toll-free number here.
Thanks for calling us. How may I help you today?
My HP Smart app is not working. I need help.
Okay, sir, no issue. Please follow the instruction now.
Open a secured browser and go to HP official web 123.hp.com. Search for an updated HP Smart app and download it. Follow the instructions and complete the Smart app installation. Now, open the app and accept all the app terms and conditions. Tap on the plus sign to add the user printer model. Now, sign up with an existing HP account. Register the printer model and set up your 123 horsepower printer. Choose remote printing or scan to cloud print service as per need. Select a print file and do the print settings. Now, click on the print icon and get quality printouts on time. Now check your HP Smart app.